No more background removal. Ideogram now generates transparent designs instantly, and it's a total game changer for POD sellers. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, so first of all, we need some design ideas that we want to generate with Ideogram. So I picked 3 best-selling designs from Flying Research. So this is the first one. It says crushing it since 2023. You got the number 3 right here and the monster truck. So that's a birthday t-shirt for kids. And let's download it right here. Here we got the next design. It's a Western cowboy design. We got the hat right here and the bandana. And then we get the rope that says howdy. So it's actually quite creative. I haven't seen a design like that. So let's also download this one. And here we got the last design. Now this design combines very different niches. We got the baseball and the baseball bat right here. We got the stripping style that's quite popular right now. And then of course we got the phrase that says 100 days of school. So let's also download this one. Now let's head over to ChatGPT. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT. Now we downloaded these images from Flying Research. And now we basically want to convert these designs into prompts. Well, Ideogram also has this describe feature. But when I did my tests, the results from ChatGPT were better than the ones from Ideogram. Of course, you may also use your favorite AI chatbot. But for this demo, we're just gonna use ChatGPT. So all we have to do is upload our designs right here on this plus icon. And there you go, it's uploading. Now we can see the designs right here. And then we add this very simple prompt that says, describe these images in a detailed prompt style. When describing the background, write transparent background. And yeah, that's quite simple. When we have transparent background in the prompt, Ideogram knows that it needs to generate these designs on a transparent background. So let's press enter and let's get these prompts. Okay, here we go. Yeah, these prompts are really detailed. These won't be that detailed when you just use the Ideogram describe feature. And then we get this parameter that says transparent background right here. That's really important. And yeah, we got our 3 prompts. Now let's head over to Ideogram. Okay, so here we are in Ideogram. And as you know it, we get greeted by all these images and our prompt box, which also got an update. So let me show you the best settings for t-shirt designs. On this paperclip icon you can upload some images, but we don't really want that right now. On the second button you can choose the model, so let's click that. Now here's what's really important. If you want to generate your designs on a transparent background, you have to choose the auto model. So it's really important to set this on auto. I'm speaking from experience. So let's click that. Then you can choose the images. Let's leave it on 4. Then we got the aspect ratio. I like to use the 4x5 format for t-shirts. And then you got some more settings on this last button right here. You can set the style, character and colors, but right now we don't need that. We also leave the magic prompt to off, because right now we got really detailed prompts, so we don't need the magic prompt. And when you see this lock right here, the generation is private. And of course that's what we want for t-shirt designs. So let's put in the first prompt. Alright, that's the 100 days of school prompt. Now let's just hit generate and see what we get. Alright, here we go. Yeah, here we go. We got the transparent background. Well, Ideogram doesn't really show the transparent images on this typical checkerboard pattern, but it uses this dot pattern. So when you see this dot pattern right here, it's a transparent background. But you can also do a right click on the image and open it in a new tab, and it will look like this. Yeah, it looks really nice. And this design would work on a black background and also on a white background. So it works on black t-shirts, but also on white mugs. So again, if you want to generate transparent designs with Ideogram, you have to set the model to Ideogram Auto, or like just Auto, and your prompt has to say transparent background. So I just saw that the off is missing, 100 days off school, but it also doesn't say it in the prompt, so that's not Ideogram's fault. The design itself looks awesome. And the awesome thing is that you don't have to worry about the background removal. As we all know it, background removals weren't perfect. Now you just have to download this image, upscale it, and it's basically ready for upload. But here's another cool thing they added. Of course, you could just download this image and upscale it with upscale or Topaz Gigapixel, for example. But you can also upscale it in Ideogram itself. And these buttons are just under my face, so I will just remove my face now. Here we go. So as you can see, you can just click download right here and download it in HD just like it was generated, or you can upscale it right away. For Amazon Merch you would need the 8K resolution, because Amazon Merch recommends 4500 by 5400, and that means 4K is not enough right here. Maybe they will add a 6K in the future, but right now we need 8K for Amazon Merch. So when you click 8K, it upscales the image and it downloads it right to your computer. Now let's try the next designs. Okay, so this one is the monster truck design. It keeps the settings, so we just have to click generate and it's generating the images. And boom, here we go. Let's click one and here we go. Yeah, so we got this dotted background, so it's transparent. It's really amazing. Let's check the designs. So we got the 3, crushing it since 2023. Yeah, looks amazing. And these parts right here with the flames, or with this dirt right here, would be very hard to remove the background. Especially if you would generate this on a black background. So now you don't have to worry about that anymore. So this design looks nice on a white background, or like on a bright background. Now we can quickly check it on a dark background by clicking right click and open this image in a new tab. And here we go. Yeah, it looks awesome. So the other designs look quite similar. So if you want to save credits, just generate 1 or 2 images. Since you don't have to worry about background removal anymore, you would just check the design for spelling mistakes or for major errors in the graphic. So let's test the last design. Now this one is the cowboy howdy design. Let's paste it right here. Press generate and generating 99%. And here we go. Yeah, howdy. Yeah, looks nice. I would pick this one, the third one. Or this one. This one's got the rope through the bandana. But yeah, you don't really have to generate 4 designs. Of course you can if you have enough credits. But if you want to save credits, just generate 1 or 2 images. And yeah, as you can see, it looks awesome on a bright background. But let's see it on a dark background. Yeah, I would say it also works on a dark background. So props to the Ideogram team, that's really amazing. Now the transparent image generation was a really big feature for us POD sellers. And yeah, this is a real native transparent image generation. Unlike ChatGPT, for example, where it removes the background later. This model generates it right away on a transparent background. And that's exactly what we need. Want to start creating your own fast-selling trending designs? Then check out this video right here.